What's up, people? Thank you for watching this part, that how to become a successful trader part 5, how to follow your system. Guys, in last video I told you about how you can build a profitable system, and I also told you about that it is not necessary for you to be profitable if you have only complex system. I think that if you have complex system, you will get confused and you will lost your money on that, because when we get confused we make mistake. If it make our simple as possible like I do, then you will definitely get money out of it. Guys, let me clarify you, trading is not that much tough. Price is going to go higher or it will come down. You have to only find the chances that where price will go, where is the more percentage that where price is gonna land up, and you will make money out of it. So why you need any complex system for that? You can do it on any simple system, and that's why I told you guys to make your own system, and that's way you're gonna be in a big profit. You will remember me someday that I'm gonna give you this kind of advice, because there is no one who can advise me when I was learning that how to trade in stock market, how to trade in future, and how to trade in commodity. On that time there is no one who can help me, and it's good for me that I have learned so much out of that. I used to read late at the night and I only think about trading on that time, and thank God right now I find what I really want that time. So guys, those people who told you to buy their system and you will get profit out of it, most of the people say that they have any profitable system and you can only buy it for $100 or $200 or $1,000. So this kind of stuff don't work in a market. Let me clarify you, they will take seminars, webinar and lots of other stuff. I laugh on them, because those people who got on their means they caught by those people, those who want to earn easy money and fast money, and they think that share market is easy and they can tell you some secret and you're gonna be making million out of it. That's never gonna happen, because it is not that easy. But if you know how to be profitable in share market or whatever market you are trading in, you're gonna end up in profit. And that's why I told you guys to make your own system. Make it as simple as possible. Moving average, stochastic, RSI or CSI, whatever you think you're comfortable with, just add it on chat and try to figure out what kind of system you want to make it. And I also advise you guys to at least trade on higher time frame, because when we go in lower time frame we will get lots of trade in a day, and if you trade so much of time, there is more chance that you will lose money. Less trade, more profit; more trade, less profit. Always remember that. If you trade more, only one person is going to be in profitable, and that's your broker, not you. So don't trade every time. That's why I told you to trade on higher time factor. And also about the series about that how to follow system, guys, let me clarify you that if you have a Mac or PC or anything and you don't know how to use it, you will never know how it works and what are the things it can done for you, because you don't know how to use it. So that's why build your own system. On that way you know each and everything about that system, like when to you should buy, when you should go out, when you should take loss, or where you taken profit out of that. So it is a precious advice to make your own system and follow that system. Guys, if I will give you a system which is 99% accurate, means it will write 99% time and only one time it will wrong, then I will sure I can bet you that you will end up in loss on that time also, because you don't know other stuff. There are lots of stuff work. Only having a good system is not make you profitable. There are money management and lots of other stuff. I will come to all this part, that how to strictly follow a system and how you can how to improve your system, how to modify when to in bearish market, in bullish market, and in sideways market. All the other stuffs are coming. So keep watching, keep subscribing, give me a thumbs up. On that I can understand that you guys are really want to be successful, and please give me a thumbs up if you really think you will be in a successful and a profitable trader after watching this series of videos. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.